Okay, class, we are on our last section of this lesson, Lesson 2, on page 66, working with the movie track. The last type of track you'll work with in this lesson is the movie track. A project contains one movie track where you can open up a file from your computer and play it with your project. Movie files are not saved with the project if you move it to another computer, but you can export or share your finished project with the movie track. You'll learn about sharing projects like this one in Lesson 9, sharing your finished projects. In this exercise, you're going to display the movie track, open a movie, and resize the movie window. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose the track, choose track and then show movie track. So up here in your menu options up here, we're going to go to track, show movie track, and that will give us a movie track right here. It's an empty track and it appears above, or appears between the arrangement track and the first instrument track. So you see it's between the arrangement track and the first instrument track. Arrangement, first instrument, movie is right there. There's several ways to open a movie file, including using the file menu or pressing Option Command O. For this exercise, you'll use the shortcut menu in the movie track header. You'll find the movie for this project in the additional media folder in your GarageBand book files. Now, the movie file that I've uploaded to my teacher website is different than the one that the GarageBand book is telling you to use. Although it's still named Lexi's Shadow, although it's still about a black dog, with its shadow, I just want to let you know it is a little bit different, but it's not going to be any different as far as your finished product is concerned. It serves the same purpose. So I just need to click on the movie title here. There's a drop down little arrow right there, and I'm going to go to Open Movie. And it's not going to be right here for me. I need to search for Lexi's Shadow. There's Lexi's Shadow right there. I'm going to click it and I'm going to press Open. And there we go. We've got a movie about a black dog and its shadow. Moving over to page 68. Number 4, play the project to see Lexi in action. Once again, it's not a masterpiece, but it works.
Lexi, beat the shadow. Yes, beat the shadow.
All right. Number 5, drag the movie window header to move it to another location on the screen. Yeah, it's kind of right there in the middle of everything, and it doesn't make things easy to work with if it's right there in front of the timeline that we need to work on. So if you drag it over here to the side, it's out of the way. We don't need it anymore.
Shadow, come here.
We can also resize it as well. If I wanted to just put it in this entire gray area, I can just click on the lower right hand corner, make it a little bit bigger, but it's not interfering with any of my tracks over here to the left. Page 69, number 7, you can click the minimized movie window to return it to its last size and location on the screen. You can do that if you want to. Number 8, play the project one last time for nostalgia's sake, and when you're finished, save your work.
Okay.
Very simple. All you did was load a movie and you're playing the previously, edited music along with that movie. So you still have that movie's audio. You hear the lady with her dialogue, you hear the wind noise, you hear everything else, but you also have this layer of your music that plays as a bed of music behind this. And I'm sure it's making some grandma really happy to have music along with her little home shot video of her dog. Your lesson is over now. Save your stuff, last name .lesson2, and go ahead and upload this into Blackboard. Find that last name .lesson2.band file. That's what you're uploading into Blackboard.